importance that it deserves in India. It's still not as, especially because of the retail boom, because of malls, because the whole mall culture that is booming right now in our country. I think window displays and visual merchandising is getting the attention, the focus that it deserves, because at the end of the day, when you're walking past the store, the first thing that you see of the store is the window. And if you like it, you will walk in. If it doesn't interest you, you will walk away. If it's a well-known brand, you will walk in irrespective because you know the brand. But so I think in that respect, courses in schools, as fashion schools as well now, are giving importance to visual merchandising. If I compare the market 5 years ago, if I had to look for an intern to do VM, I would probably not have found one in a year. It's spent like months searching, wouldn't find. But now, I think it's getting more awareness, and you know, people are looking, fashion students are looking at visual merchandising as an alternative career, and I think that that's great, because I remember I've always been into fashion since I was a kid, but I never wanted to be a designer because I could not imagine sitting with tailors and doing the whole production bit. I just didn't have the patience for that. But I was always into fashion, and I think for someone like me, if any of you feel the way I did when I was a kid, I think visual merchandising is a pretty good alternative career to go into, and I think now I have about 5 to 6 interns working with me only for visual merchandising who want to do visual merchandising.
As you mentioned, we have more and more shopping malls. Which store needs a...
And Mrs. Meghna Ghaipuri, President, Whistling Woods International. So can I request you to? Okay.
Thank you very much for your birthday wishes, and I cannot express more that my birthday begins with the children and with the students of Whistling Woods, beginning their education today with the event, the Future of Fashion Forum, Nita, and getting educated. It is really great fun. So let me tell you कि मैं कितना बड़ा हो गया हूँ. What is my age? You didn't ask me. My years old, plus 30 years of experience. So कोई भी आपसे उम्र पूछे तो पहले आप अपनी उम्र बताइए कैलेंडर की, फिर उसके बाद एक्सपीरियंस कितना है वो बताइए. ठीक है, एक टिप मैंने आपको दे दिया आज. Now have fun, enjoy your day, and join us from time to time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We just have a few questions. So my first question is for Mr. Hemant Trivedi. So please tell us about your vast journey as a fashion designer.
It is actually really old news. I began, as wonderful as I'm going to be really casual about this when I speak to you, because that's the best way we can relate without being too formal. I returned back to India in 1979. I think many of you weren't even born then. And of course, as you said earlier, ma'am, as the first internationally trained designer, it was a very tough call. It was new for me. When I returned back, the only exposure I got was this hotel somewhere in town called the Taj Mahal Hotel. And there was a lady there who had a boutique. You know, when people, let me interrupt. When you study history of fashion, how many people know about the beginnings of Indian fashion? Do you know the names of Catherine Courtney? When I came back, there was a gentleman who used to make little churidar and shalwar kameezes and make small exhibitions because nobody took them seriously. Mike Kirpilani. These names are the beginnings of fashion that you should know of. I would watch a program called Telly Go Round in those days, and there were who designed for the film industry. And I remember those names so clearly because they were who I looked up to, and they were not aware. Mani Rabadi, the little news that we would get, and the other, Banu Athaya. And these were my seniors. And I
took me to a temple and brought one picture of Radha and Krishna. And I asked my mom, why can't you wear this dress of Radha? You're looking so shabby. And throughout my life, I was always at the cost. All those pictures, what I saw, mythological characters, drawn, designed, colored, combinations of their costumes. You look at all Devta and Devis. They always fascinated me. But we have been so much intimidated by God and goddesses that finally we could never dare that we should also make this. Because when people bow down to them, I saw as a child, and I always noticed their costumes, jewelry, their crown, and I was always fascinated to the gods that they are so handsome, they are so well dressed. Why can't we wear that? But when I became 10, I went to my uncle's place in a village. He was a ziledar at that time. So my auntie had given me one jean that time. I'm talking about the 50s, 60s. So in the village, when I wore a jean and walked through the street, they says, ziledar ka be hai, fashionable hai, dekho kaun si चिपटी हुई पैंट पहन के आया है जीन को. So they commented, and after that I could not wear because they were embarrassed me. They looked at me all the time. मैं जब भी निकलता था तो सारे गांव वाले मुझको देखते थे क्या पहना हुआ है इसने. उनको पजामी की और पैंट की आदत थी. तो मैंने पहना हुआ जो आपने दिया तो बोली बेटा ये फैशन है. तो वहाँ से मुझे फैशन का वर्ड समझ आया. फैशन मीन्स दैट which attract others, see, in a pleasant way, which give a better divine feeling, a pleasant feeling. Oh, she is looking great or he's looking great, which attracts other people's, not eyeballs, but also the souls, also the mind. That makes the difference of and Hemant Trivedi, the genius. That make a difference with the ordinary fashion designer and Nita Lula. Clap. तो करो, बेशर्मो.
Thank you so much, sir.
बेशर्मो, clap तो करो. है ना? तो मैं तो अपने as a filmmaker, so I was always fascinated by the colors, the fashion. और जिनको इनका fascination होता है वो खुद बड़े गंदे कपड़े पहनते हैं. जितने फैशन डिजाइनर हैं सबसे शाबी लुकिंग वही पहनते हैं कपड़े. द बेस्ट ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज इट डजंट बिलोंग टू देम. व्हाट बिलोंग्स टू देम इज देयर इमेजिनेशन फॉर अदर्स. एज ही सेज कि हैंगर में पड़ी हुई ड्रेस कैसे लगेगी वो देखो बेटा, है ना. सो आई हैव बीन इन टच विद मेनी फैशन डिजाइनर्स. रोहित बाल वाज माय गुड फ्रेंड फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, एंड सो आई हैव बीन सीइंग द ग्रोथ ऑफ द फैशन इंडस्ट्री.
Thanks to Hemant. Time and again, it was not only about education, it was not only about you have to do well in what you're doing, your subjects, your work, but it was about building your inner strength.